What did you do? Are the Cheerios delicious, Aiden? Did you dump all your Cheerios on the floor? Uh-oh. 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 Oh, are you feeding the dog now? Yeah, there's probably hair in there. Is it yummy? Oh, gross. Okay, are you done? Are you all done? Should we wash your hands? Ew, don't eat that. So much for mommy vacuuming the floor, huh, Aiden? Oh, don't touch. No.